No, sir. Could you feel ourselves and all these things? Guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Hey apples, welcome back. So today I'll be doing a sew in without closure, and I'm not a hairstylist. I'm just doing this. So if you need a step-by-step like tutorial how to sew in here, it was a wig though. I already have a video on that. I'll leave it up above in the iCard, so make sure you check out the iCard if that's something you're interested in. So when I'm sewing in here, I like to push the needle through, then wrap the thread around like 2 to 3 times to knot it, and then I like to go up, down, or down, up, whichever way to sew the hair. I don't like to pull it through the weft because it makes it harder, so I like to just pull it over, like, if you understand what I'm saying. And then when I reach towards the end, I do not cut the hair because it makes it shreds more and stuff like that. So I fold it over and then start to do the other row. I like to sew the hair like an inch apart, or put your little finger in between, and wherever it stops above, then that's where you're going to place the hair to start sewing again. And my mother-in-law, she knows how to do her hair. She does hair, so you'll see she'll be showing me a lot of tips and tricks along the way. So if you're not following my Instagram business page, what are you waiting on? I do sell hair and I do sell wigs, but it's kind of paused right now because of this coronavirus. But as soon as I start up again, if you're following my page, you'll definitely see. So it's Monique underscore luxurious underscore beauty. And I also sell accessories, lashes, all that shebang. And I'll be having a haul as soon as I get some stuff back in stock. I'll be doing a haul here on my channel. Make sure you follow my business page. However, I do not offer sewings because I cannot cornrow other people's hair. So therefore, I stick to selling wigs and selling hair. So no sewing, guys.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And on we'll go.
So at the front, guys, I was trying to make sure that the ear is so directly onto the front so it show as naturally as possible. And also she was trying to help me to adjust it as well.
See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So to close up the front part, what we did was we fold it over and then we sew it going down on the cornrow. So it gives it this illusion like you can't see the track, and it also hides the hair up, give it this nice side part or whatever. And the front section is also the most crucial part, so you must take time. Make sure the tracks aren't showing boo, cause that's not a look.
On we'll go, finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest, echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So you see what I'm saying, guys? Right here you can't see the track at all. Like it just look like what should I say? I don't even know how to explain it, but you can't see the track, so which is good because it's the closure. You're doing a closure, so you wanna make it So guys, throughout this whole process, it was like a learning process for me because like I'm always doing my hair or I'm always making wigs, but I've never like sewing someone's hair. So I was learning along the way and everything, and overall it came out pretty good. Stay to the end to see, guys. Also, on this side, what we started to do was to cut small pieces of hair and glue it on, because on the side of her hair she didn't have much like hair so left, so we were just gluing small pieces down, if you understand what I'm saying, until we close up the entire part. And when we finished, you couldn't even tell which side had the glue, which side had the sewing. It was seamless, but it took some time to figure it out.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
So guys, this is a finished look, and we were adding the final touch, which is her edges. I was using some Gorilla Glue and just going around and laying her edges.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun